Hey, good Saturday to you. I'm Storm Team 9 Meteorologist Patrick Ellis here with your ENC Weather update for this October the 12th, 2013. Another dreary day across eastern North Carolina. Hasn't really changed over the past, say, 5 days or so. And unfortunately, a couple more days of this, but there is some sunshine possibly in the forecast as we go through the next couple of days. We'll detail that here in the forecast update video, but in the meantime, just hang in there. We'll have to deal with the clouds and the occasional drizzle and occasional showers as well. Alright, here's a look at Live Viper 9 this evening, and you see a few sprinkles getting picked up by the radar, and the radar has gone up into a higher mode to be able to pick these up because of the fact that a lot of these are at the base of the clouds, and the further away that you get away from the radar site, you gotta remember that the Earth curves underneath the radar beam goes straight out in a line. So as it goes further and further out, the radar beam is going further and further into the atmosphere, and a lot of these showers are right at the bottom of the clouds, and the cloud bases are not that high today. And actually, we've seen the ceilings rise just a little bit through the afternoon hours. That'll be the case likely tomorrow as well. Morning time, low ceilings, and then starting to rise through the afternoon hours. But you see a few showers starting to get picked up on Live Viper 9. Not a big issue, just some light patches of drizzle and light patches of rain as we go through the overnight hours tonight. High temperatures today, upper 60s and lower 70s. Don't worry about that Manio number. That sensor has been kind of wonky here lately. 70 degrees was the high temperature in Greenville, as well as Kinston, Goldsboro, Wilson, and Morehead City. 72 at New Bern, 68 at Jacksonville, as well as Kenansville. 69 the high temperature today at Hatteras. Temperatures not that much different. We actually hit the high temperature probably about an hour or so ago. We're at 68 in Greenville, 70 at Wilson, 70 at Kinston, and 71 degrees currently at New Bern. So temperatures starting to fall, but they will be a slow fall through the overnight hours. Winds are currently out of the north are calm. See an east and south wind right now at Edenton and Elizabeth City as well, Swan Quarter. But most areas seeing northerly and northwesterly winds. It's been the case the last couple of days. We still have our persistent trough of low pressure just hanging off the coast. So you see a frontal boundary approaching us from the west. That will not make its way towards us. That will actually lift off towards the north. It will help to get some of this out of here as we head towards the latter half of the week. But in the meantime, just nothing doing for us. High pressure just off to our west, and low pressure continuing to funnel down those northerly breezes across our neck of the woods. And this thing is going to start to wrap up a little tighter tomorrow, very similar to what we had on Friday, where we had those showers kind of moving through. But I think that overall, you're going to see a little improvement tomorrow, but Monday may be the bigger rainmaker out of all this before it lifts out of here as we head towards Tuesday and Wednesday. Here's a look at the national picture, and you can see that frontal boundary pushing off towards the east. Like I said, not going to be making its way towards us. You see those nasty storms rolling through north of Louisiana, also into East Texas. And had some storms rolling through Arkansas, Tennessee, and western portions of Mississippi as well. Those are dying down as they're getting further and further away from the frontal boundary, the forcing mechanism with it. You see some nasty storms coming across the UP of Michigan right now. But obviously our main weather feature is this trough of low pressure, this coastal trough that has been very persistent the last several days. Here's a look at the precision forecast model. We'll take you through midnight tonight. Here's 64 degrees at Greenville. Cloudy skies, still the chance for some patches of drizzle. Tomorrow morning, 7 o'clock, still the chance for some showers. We're not going to give up on that. Temperatures will be likely dropping down lower 60s through the overnight hours. Tomorrow, we may get enough of a break in the clouds here and there to get our temperatures up here. I don't think they'll be as warm as what the precision forecast is painting right now. It's got 78 at Greenville. I don't think we're going to get that high tomorrow. It's just with the clouds and also the chance for drizzle, and we've been really, it's the modeling has been up, and we've had to trend down because of the fact that it's just not been meeting the guidance. It's been running about 2-3 degrees below the guidance, so we'll trend down. We'll likely go lower 70s tomorrow afternoon, and like I said, there will be the chance for a few peaks of sunshine, mainly for coastal areas through the afternoon hours. And you see a couple breaks here and there, the clouds. not too bad. We could see a mixture of sun and clouds for some areas tomorrow afternoon, late tomorrow afternoon and into tomorrow evening. But overall, expect the cloudy skies and the chance for showers continuing through the area. All right, here's a look at the tropical satellite, and this mass of clouds and showers and thunderstorms has a 30% chance for development. It's come down. It was a very good chance yesterday, has now come down to a 30% chance. It has become very disorganized. The tropical models don't really have a good handle on this. It keeps it on mainly a westerly track over the next several days. We'll keep an eye out on it nonetheless. All right, so here's a look at the 7-day forecast. We're going to go with a 30% chance for a shower tomorrow. Otherwise, don't expect a whole. It's going to be one of those days where you're going to see clouds in the morning, few peaks of sunshine through the afternoon hours, and a few rain showers here and there. Same thing on Monday, and will likely turn breezy as that low starts to wrap up a little tighter on Monday. It starts to lift out of here again on Tuesday and into Wednesday. Finally gets on out of here by Wednesday. Thursday, Friday looking good. Now, the modeling a little issue Friday and Saturday. I've trended closer to the European numbers because of its track record the last couple of days as far as how we've been progressing the last several days with our weather pattern. The European has been very spot on, and decided to trend a little closer to that. The GFS has the rain showers coming in here on Friday and a big cool down for Saturday. The European has a big slug of moisture coming out of the Gulf of Mexico Saturday into Sunday, and then the big cool down comes on Monday. So we'll watch the evolution of that, but in the meantime, I'm going to lean a little closer to the European model, go 75 on that day. You'll see the temperature starting to come up as the clouds start to break up. The sunshine starts to come back as well. We'll be up towards the upper 70s to near 80 degrees come Thursday. Slim chance for rain on Friday. Now, if the GFS comes to fruition, then we're going to be talking about the chance for some rain showers on that day. But overall, right now it looks like it'd be a low-end chance because not a lot of moisture return with that look on the GFS. The European has a very strong moisture return coming in here Saturday into Sunday. So we'll have to watch out on everything, like I said. In the meantime, expect cloudy skies, but there will be breaks here and there that you'll see the sunshine trying to peek through the clouds over the next couple of days before the system rolls out. That'll do it for me here on the ENC Weather Update. Stay up to date with us on Facebook as well as Twitter and on WNCT.com. Next update here will likely be on next Thursday. I'm taking a couple of days off to go to the National Weather Association Conference down in Charleston, South Carolina. So I'll be out of pocket the next couple of days. Chief Meteorologist David Sawyer takes over tomorrow evening for my shift tomorrow evening on the television side. So, like I said, we'll stay up to date with you guys on the Facebook and Twitter side as well as on WNCT.com for the very latest on our weather situation here across eastern North Carolina. Have a great rest of your day, a great evening ahead, and a great weather week ahead.